Well, it's going to be a raw, wet weekend for us, and there's a wild card in this forecast. Chief Meteorologist Kate Bilo is here with more on that. Hi, Kate.
Hi, Jessica. Yeah, Ian is throwing wild cards all over the place. Ian has just been, I feel like we've been talking about this storm for weeks, and it's not done with us and may not be done with us until at least the middle of next week. We've got a lot to talk about. Let's get right into it. You may have seen the difference outside today. After a beautiful fall week, today was covered in clouds. It is gray in Philadelphia right now. Still dry in the city, but not for long. We're going to be seeing some showers work their way in within the next couple of hours. I want to start off by talking about the updates and changes we've made to the forecast. The only changes we've made are to Sunday. We have extended the next weather alert into Sunday thanks to the threat for heavier rain throughout the day Sunday. It looks like a steady moderate rain for most of the day, but there are chances that heavier rain could set up late Sunday, even Sunday night, over portions of Delaware and South Jersey. We also have some updated flood alerts, coastal flood alerts to tell you about, and that will really kick in next week as well. Tonight it is raw, it's rainy, it's windy, it's 57 degrees. It's going to rain heavily pretty much all night long. Now tomorrow is not a washout. It's not a nice day, but it's not a washout. The rain, the heaviest rain at least, will start to shift out of here even by 7 or 8 in the morning. Most of the day is just cloudy with scattered showers, a gusty wind. It's going to feel damp and cold, but again, most of the afternoon and evening not all that wet. So if you have errands to run, you have anything to do outdoors, tomorrow afternoon is your best bet. Sunday, we've got another chance for heavy rain. Here's the problem. This is splitting into two pieces, a coastal component and an inland component, which is going to contain the actual circulation of what was once Hurricane Ian. It's now post-tropical. The coastal component is what comes through tonight. So you can see the rain already starting to spread in. It's light drizzle for the most part for now, but the heavy rain is poised just off to the south. So that first band comes in overnight tonight. Some of the heaviest downpours starting about midnight in the city and point south. North and west of the city, the heaviest is about 3 or 4 a.m. If you sleep in on your Saturday, you'll miss the heaviest of the rain. By 6:30, 7 o'clock, it has already tapered to showers, and then we're just looking at cloudy conditions through most of the afternoon. Again, still chilly, damp, and windy, but not all that wet. Sunday, though, it comes back around. Now, this is the second piece of energy, comes in from the west. That's the actual center of circulation that was once Ian. 9:30 a.m. it's starting to fill in, and then watch how this just turns into a solid shield of rain all day Sunday, possibly even Sunday night. We could see some intensification as the low moves off the coast. We may see a band of heavy rain develop Sunday night into Monday morning over portions of South Jersey and Delaware. If that happens, we may have to be concerned about localized flooding. It has been very dry, so it's going to take a lot for flooding to start. But if you get heavy rain in a band like that and it falls for an extended period of time, you do run the risk of localized flooding at the very least. So for the first batch that comes through tonight, we're going to see generally about a ½ inch to an inch, with some spots closer to 2. Once that second round comes through, Sunday all day into early Monday, some spots across South Jersey and Delaware could pick up upwards of 4 inches cumulatively through the weekend, and it is going to be blustery all weekend as well. Starting tonight, but certainly into tomorrow, winds could gust to 25 or 30 miles per hour even in the city. Down the shore, we're looking at coastal flooding concerns. 1 to 2 feet inundation possible by Monday as the low moves off the coast, breaking waves up to 8 feet, dangerous rip currents, and that may continue into midweek because the wild card is that Ian may try to gradually re-strengthen off the coast into the middle of next week, keeping the coastal impacts around. For the Eagles game, 56 degrees with a steady rain throughout the course of the game. It is not going to be a nice day for it. There's that wild card redevelopment even into next week. Ian may finally release its grip on the area as we get into Wednesday or Thursday. But for the next 4 days, heavy rain chances tomorrow morning, again Sunday evening, showers likely Monday and Tuesday with those coastal impacts increasing as well. We'll get some sun back, but not until likely next Wednesday, Jessica, the next time we'll see any sunshine.
Ooh, all right.